Okay, here is a quick little tutorial on the key properties of a quadratic. Now we're supposed to look these up, but I'm just going to go through them quick in case anyone's having trouble. Here is a quadratic on the screen. Up at the top here, this is one form of the equation. We're going to learn about different forms of the equation later. This is one form of the equation. Key properties, though, is looking at this graph, it is a big U, or I could add one thing, this up top, it could go down like that. But let's look at this one going up. It can do either or. Remember from way back grade 9 and grade 10, this is our x-axis. So these points here, where y is 0, these are called our zeros. So on our sheet there of our key terms, these are zeros. It also has another line for x-intercepts. Zeros and x-intercepts are the exact same thing. So these, sometimes it's labeled as x equals 0.225, comma, negative 2.225. Or sometimes it's x equals this one and x equals that one. Sometimes it's labeled as both the points. So those are our x-intercepts or zeros. Another key point, Desmos is nice because it knows what the key points are and it highlights them. So by clicking them, it shows me what the point information is. This is our y-axis. So this 0 minus 1 is my y-intercept. It intercepts that y-axis. There's my y-intercept, another important point. Down here, this is a new one that we don't deal with in linear equations or linear functions. This one is called the vertex. So it is that maximum or minimum point. This one is a minimum because here is the whole function and it is the lowest part on that function. But by me adding that minus in front, now it's a maximum. That same point is a maximum because it's the highest point on that function. Okay, I'm going to keep it like this because we can see it a little bit easier. Now, those are all our key points. There's one other one that it has on the sheet, and that, I believe, is called the axis of symmetry. What that is that's our mirror line. If we drew a line right through the vertex here, if this were on a piece of paper, I could fold the paper in half, and this right side of the quadratic would match up perfectly with this left side of the quadratic. So the axis of symmetry is a mirror line right down the middle. And that's it. Those are the key properties that we need to know for starting out with quadratics.